Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this origami jumping frog. So let's start. First, to make this, you will need a 10 cm by 20 cm sheet. Fold it in half like this. Open it and then fold these two corners to this point here like this, and then this side. Open it, turn it and then fold it the same way. Like this. And now you will have two crosses. Now push this inwards like this and then fold this on top like this. Now fold it like this and then this side. Now fold this part here like this. And then this side. Now do the same on the other side. Fold these two inwards and then fold it like this. Now fold it like that and then this side. Now fold it like this and then this side. Now turn it, then fold this point to this line here like this. Then fold this side here like this. And then this side. Now put these two inside this gap here. Like this. And then this side. Like that. Now turn it, fold it upward like this and then in half like that. And now you should stick the eyes. For the eyes, cut out two small circles from white and make dots on them with black sketch pen. Now take your glue, put some here and here, and then stick the eyes there. And then there. Now press it. Like that. And now we have finished making the jumping frog. Press it like this and then leave it. It was really easy making this, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.